Hello and welcome to today's video. As quickly as possible, I'm going to show you how you can create your first cryptocurrency wallet using myetherwallet.com. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to google.com, okay, and then type in Myetherwallet. That's Myetherwallet. Okay, now as you can see, the first site is what we are going to. Okay, now click on it. Now I have to warn you, you have to beware. There are a lot of fraudulent sites that are out to get your details and stuff. So while you are using this site, be as careful as possible to avoid fraudulent activities. So having done that, we're going to quickly create the first wallet. As you can see, anytime you open myetherwallet.com, this is the message that pops up. They tell you, welcome to myetherwallet.com, this is not a bank, blah 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 blah. You are responsible for your own security. You can it's very important that you read all this information so that you understand why your security using the blockchain is very important. Okay, so once you've gone through everything, click on done, and that's it. Now to create a new wallet, you have to come under the new wallet, okay, and click on that option. Automatically, anytime you open myetherwallet.com, that's the page that shows. If you look very closely at the web address, you would see that it's myetherwallet.com/hash-generate-wallet. Okay, this is very important. One app you could get for Myetherwallet that would help you. Two things you can do that would help you with this is one, to bookmark this page. So you could just click on the star. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the star close to the toolbar and save that, add that as a bookmark. Okay, now let's go on to creating the wallet itself. So let's get a password for this. Okay, so once we have that, the first thing to ask us to do is to save our key store file. Now the key store file is a way you can access your Ether wallet. Okay, as we go on, you'll be able to see where the key store file is used. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, as you can see, it has already downloaded. Then we say do not lose it. It cannot be recovered if you lose it. Do not share it. Your funds will be stolen if you use this file on a malicious/phishing site. Make a backup. Okay, secure it like $1 million. It may be worth. It may be one day worth. It's very important that you secure your wallet because, for example, I know people who have $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 in their wallet. So treat this like it's your physical wallet. Okay, it's very important. So click on I understand. What you can see here is what is called a private key. It's very important to keep your private key private. It is not called a private key for nothing. It's called a private key because it is the backbone, so to speak, of your wallet. It is the only code that can unlock your wallet in any site. If somebody has access to your private key, they have access to your wallet. Okay, so protect this very well. So I'm going to highlight this and copy it. Okay, I'll just quickly copy that, and as you can see, this is a Word document. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so this is my private key. Now what I have to do is to save this Word document somewhere safe so that nobody except me has access to it. Okay, so having done that, I like clicking on the print paper wallet. So what I do is that I take a screenshot of this. Now if you're using a Mac like I am doing, all you have to do is to press Command Shift and 4. In the description I'll write this down, Command Shift and 4, and then you hold your left mouse key and you take a screenshot of that. Okay, very easy. If you are using a Windows laptop, all you need to do is to search for a tool called sniping tool. Okay, sniping tool. This is the spelling. Then we open that up in Google so that you see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, sniping tool. Okay, this word here is sniping tool. Sniping tool. So you could use this from any Microsoft Windows system. So having done that, having saved our private key and our key store, we could save the address. Now this address has been saved already. At this point, this address has already been saved. Okay, so we can access the wallet at any time. I'm going to quickly show you how to access the wallet using your key store / JSON file and your private key. First of all, using your private key, you just click on private key. Now it's asking you to put in your private key, but as you can see here, it's warning you this is not a recommended way to access your wallet. Why? Because using your private key is very delicate, it's very dangerous. So if you can, try as much as possible not to use your private key, but to use the option 2 that I'll show you later on in this video. So I'll quickly go to my Word document at this point. Okay, copy the code there. Right click, copy. Now go back to my Chrome browser and fill in that private key. Okay, at that point I have unlocked my wallet. Okay. My wallet has been successfully unlocked. What you see here is your address. This is the one you should share with people. Okay, your address is what you share with people. Your address is what this. If somebody wants to send Ethereum or any of all these other ERC20 compatible tokens, it is your address that they need, not your private key. I repeat, guard your private key. As you can see under here, we could print out the paper wallet again. Okay, I'll do some other amazing stuff. In another video, I'll show you how to add custom token to your Myetherwallet. Okay, so the address here is the same address that is here. So you could use either of, it's the same thing, you could use either of them. Now I've shown you how to do that. I'll quickly show you how to access your wallet using the key store / JSON file. So if we click on that option here, it asks us to select wallet file. Okay, so select the wallet file, which I've downloaded earlier, which is here. Okay, it usually starts with UTC -- something. So it says your wallet file is encrypted. Good, please enter your password. Now I'm going to enter the password I used for this account. Okay. Okay, why is this not working now? So sorry about that. I just had a little issue with the password. So as you can see, it brought us back to that same place. So with this, you have created your first wallet. I could take this address, okay, and go to a site like explorer.com, which is one of the sites to check .io, sorry, explorer.io, okay, explorer, ETHPLOREY, okay, and here I just paste my address, the address of the wallet I just created, okay, and voila, it has shown me. This means that the address is broken as I expect. So with this, I've shown you how you can create your first wallet, your own cryptocurrency wallet. Now if somebody asks you, send me your address, you know it is that first part you are taking, the part with 0x, not the one that starts with 9 but the one with 0x that you send to them. It was nice doing this video. Check for all the sites I accessed, just check the description below. I'll add all the sites that will help you out, and I'll also add the tools you could use to get your what's it called, your paper, your paper that contains your address and your private key. So that's all from me now, and as we say in the crypto world, to the moon.